This was the case with the most legal peril. The three of us have discussed it many times, and it's not a partial victory. It's a complete victory. And it also may have a side effect of gutting what's left, the tatters of the January 6th case, in which Jack Smith is also a special counsel. So explain briefly why Judge Cannon just got rid of this case, Mike.
So we had the Office of the Independent Counsel under Ken Starr, most famously, that was created by statute, a statute passed by Congress. It's an office created by Congress, which is required under the Constitution. And then once Congress intentionally allowed the Office of the Independent Counsel to lapse because people were upset about Ken Starr's investigation of then President Clinton, the Justice Department just tried to do an end run around the lapse of the Office of the Independent Counsel, and they created by fiat, by regulation, the Office of Special Counsel, and they created this office that essentially it's not presidentially appointed and Senate confirmed like the Attorney General, like a United States Attorney, and this Office of Special Counsel essentially had jurisdiction that all over the country had pretty near full power of every U.S. attorney in this country, and it had essentially an unlimited budget. And that violates two provisions of the Constitution: the Appointments Clause, which states that the offices must be created by Congress and they must be appointed by the president, confirmed by the Senate. And then it also violated the Appropriations Clause, because with this essentially unlimited budget, it's not that this office is not accountable to Congress, right? So that's the problem. And what needs to happen is, if President Biden wants to bring these charges, or the Attorney General wants to bring these charges against President Trump, they need to do it through a Senate-confirmed United States Attorney. They can do it through the United States Attorney for the Southern District of Florida, down in Miami. They can bring these charges if they want to refile them, but you can't do it through this special counsel, because this special counsel is not accountable to Congress. It's not accountable to the Attorney General. They actually made it where the special counsel is intentionally where this special counsel is not accountable to the Attorney General on a day-to-day basis, and that is clearly unconstitutional.
It's basically just a separations of powers thing. It says, the court says, look, it's the president who gets to appoint people to these positions, special counsel or U.S. attorney, that kind of thing. And then the Congress weighs in with the confirmation. And only for inferior offices can Congress create, a process that might look a little different.